Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about how servers respond when a client makes the request. We have already learned how REST APIs will use get method, post method, put method, patch and delete methods to interact with the resources. Here, HTTP response status codes indicates whether a specific HTTP request has been successfully completed or not. These codes are short and 3-digit numbers that tell the client whether the request was successful or failed or caused an error. If the request was successful, the server provides 200 status code OK. If there was a problem, then server provides 404, like that. These status codes are grouped in 5 main categories based on the first digit. Here, first one is 1xx, that is informational. And HTTP status codes in the 1xx category is an informational response. For example, we have status codes like 100, continue, 101, that means switching protocol, 102 processing, like that. And next one is 2xx, it represents success. And HTTP status codes in the 2xx category is success response. For example, status code 200, that means OK, 201 created, 204 no content, like that. The status codes with the 2-digit means a request was successful. The most common status codes are 200 OK and 201 created. And the next 3xx redirection. An HTTP status codes in 3xx category is redirection response. These status codes indicates that further action is need to complete the request. Status codes that start with the 3-digit means redirection. And next 4xx client side errors. An HTTP status codes in 4xx category is client error response. For example, we have status codes like 400, that means bad request, 401 unauthorized, 403 forbidden, and 404 not found, like that. And next 5xx server side errors or exceptions. An HTTP status codes in the 5xx category is server side errors. For example, we have some codes 500, that means internal server error. 503 means service unavailable, that means something went wrong on the server side. Based on these status codes, we can understand our application behavior and we can fix the issues if we found any exceptions or errors in the application. This is all about HTTP status codes. Okay, I will see you in the next video.